Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to resize images on Windows 11 without using any third-party tool and do it in a quick manner. So you don't want to waste time and you just want to resize an image for a particular form or you want to upload it somewhere. So I'll tell you how we can do that. So I have this image in my desktop and I'll just do a right click on that. And then we need to go to this open with. And here we need to select Paint 3D. So if you're using Windows 11, you will have this option Paint 3D, and I will click on that. And a window will appear like this. At the left hand side, we have menu, and here we have brushes, stickers, text, effects, and we have this option called Canvas. So here we need to click on Canvas and uncheck this lock aspect ratio. So just uncheck that, and here whatever the required size, like if you want to make it 800 by 600 like that, you can do that. If you lock the aspect ratio, you would not be able to change it according to your preference. So it is always better to just uncheck it and type the pixels according to your size, preference, and in this manner, you just need to click on save and you will be able to. Since I have changed it, I'll just click on menu and I'll click on save as, and then I'll select image, and here I can simply name it something else, and here I can change the extension if you want it in PNG format, in BMP, GIF, or anything like that. You can select according to your convenience and just click on save. So this is how you can change and resize the image on Windows 11 laptop or a desktop. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.